Hello friend, how are you? In this video, I am going to share our honest review related to our toner, which name is Isntree Comfortable Magnesium Toner. In this video, we will discuss what are the benefits of this toner and what are the ingredients of this toner. And in the end, we will discuss what is the best way to apply this toner to get its maximum result. But before starting my video, I will request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you can get notifications of every video. Thanks for watching and thanks for joining us. Let's start the video. If you have a sensitive skin and are up for trying something new, this might be just the toner for you. Magnesium promotes a more balanced skin tone by providing light moisturizer and managing your natural oil water levels. Helps to refresh and prepare your skin for the rest of your routine. Isntree Comfortable Magnesium Toner has an ultra-light, watery texture with the minimum stripping back formula designed specially for your sensitive skin. And it is available in 500 ml packing. This toner works particularly well layering with other products or as prepared before your makeup. Now talked about the ingredients of this product. It contains magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride has a high skin absorption rate, so it is excellent for replenishing, moisturize and soothing the skin and helps to soften the rough skin texture. It contains cucumber rich in vitamin C and moisturize. It provides conditioning to the skin and helps to make the skin livable. For sensitive skins, harmful ingredients are excluded from this product and included non-essential ingredients for skin are selected. It gives you a soft and refreshing feelings. This transparent water-type moisturized soothing toner provides a mild feeling of use that penetrates without stickiness. It easily absorbs into your skin. It is suitable for your sensitive skin. The best part of this is that it does not give and leave a sticky finish after use. And the best part of this toner is that it is fragrance free and suitable for all skin types, especially for sensitive skin. And now I am going to tell you what is the best way to apply this toner to get its maximum result. After washing your face, dispense a small amount into your palm of your hands and tap into your skin so that this toner easily absorbs into your skin. You can apply this toner with your cotton pads and you can apply it and create a DIY toner mask pack with your cotton tab or by your cotton sheets for best result. It gives you a moisturizing look and it also gives you a hydrations and soothing effect. And this toner is best for all skin type. It gives you a refreshing look without stickiness. It easily penetrates onto your skins and gives you a soothe and hydrating and moisturizer skins. If you like my review, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you can get notifications of every video. Thanks for watching. Till next